welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be filming a Girls Rock Cosmetics look. So my last video, I actually unboxed all of my Girls Rock Cosmetics products, and today we are going to be dipping into those products to create this look. So today we are going to be creating a look based off of the colors that are in my shirt and the color tone of my pants. There are a lot of different pretty colors in there. Looking at the flowers on my shirt, there's the copper tone, a deep burgundy tone, even a lighter pink rose tone. So I thought that I would create the perfect look using my Girls Rock Cosmetics Beauty Binder. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking my Girls Rock Cosmetics Shadow Base. We're going to be applying it to the entire lid. Now that we applied the shadow base all over our lid, we are going to dip into our Girls Rock Cosmetic palette. I'm going to go to the very last palette that I created. I'm going to be using the Sunny Day color. And I'm just going to apply it into the crease. So now that I just finished doing Sunny Day on both of my eyes, I'm going to dip into the Celestial Copper of my metallic tones. And then I'm going to just put the Celestial Copper again going through the crease and blending it up onto my brow bone. I'm going to take the shade All the Rage Rose, and I'm going to blend that into the crease as well. Now I'm going to take the shade Intensity. And I'm just going to apply it to the corner here. Now that we're done blending and everything, we are going to go to the back and take this highlight. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner and just fill out the lighter color here. And then we're going to take our blending brush and we're just going to kind of blend the color into each other from the back to the front. Now I'm going to take the highlighter again, and I'm going to apply it to the top of my brow bone, right underneath my eyebrow. So I'm going to be taking that darker color again, the Intensity Metallic, and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line and buffing that in as well as my waterline. And now I'm just going to kind of brush over and get all the excess off my face. Alright, now that we are almost done, I'm going to take the blush in the shade Dazzleberry. And I'm going to buff that onto my cheeks. This blush is super pigmented, So even just barely dipping my brush into it, it's a lot. So have to like really blend it out. And I'm gonna take my powder brush and I'm just gonna buff it out. I like to do this after I do blush just because it makes it look like a more natural skin tone pink rather than like a actual like blushy pink. Now I'm going to dip into my highlight and apply it to my nose, my cupid's bow, and the sides of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and shape my eyebrows. I don't do any color to them. I like the natural color because it does in fact match my hair color. So I'm just going to go ahead and buff those out with a little mascara brush. Okay, so now it's going to be my favorite part, and that's applying the lashes. I am going to be taking these 3D lashes in Iconic. Alright, now we just have to add mascara. Now I'm just going to go ahead and curl them. Take the matte lip from Girls Rock Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 108, and I'm not going to put a lot because my lips are naturally super red, so I'm just going to scrape off the excess and I'm going to apply it. And then I'm just going to apply the Lip Shine from Girls Rock Cosmetics in the shade 78 over the top. And that is it. I completely used my Girls Rock Cosmetics makeup and I absolutely love it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it too. Here's the final look. I really love the Girls Rock Cosmetics products. The colors are extremely pigmented, they go on really smoothly, and overall I really like the way that this look turned out, and I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope that you guys will join me next time.